will talk about the digestive gland or associated glands of the human digestive system. There are mainly three types of digestive gland, that is salivary gland, liver and the pancreas. We'll discuss it one by one. First one is salivary gland. As the name indicates, salivary gland secretes saliva, and there are mainly three pairs of salivary gland which secretes saliva, that is parotid gland, sublingual gland and submaxillary or submandibular gland. As you can see here, parotid glands are present in the cheek region near the ear, and sublingual gland is present just below the tongue, and submaxillary or submandibular gland present near the lower jaw. And all these three pairs of salivary glands secrete saliva into the buccal cavity. Though they are present just outside the buccal cavity, they secrete saliva into the buccal cavity through the duct. So that is about the first gland, that is salivary gland. Second one is liver. As you can see here, liver is present right side of our body just below the diaphragm, and liver is the largest gland of the human being, which weighs of about 1.2 to 1.5 kg in the adult human being. The liver consisting of mainly two lobes, larger and smaller lobe, and each liver lobe consisting of still smaller unit known as a liver lobule. And liver lobule is a structural and functional unit of the liver. And each liver lobule consisting of liver cells or the hepatic cells, which are arranged in the form of cords. So each liver lobule consisting of liver cells which are arranged in the form of cord, and each liver lobule is surrounded by a connective tissue layer known as a Gleason's capsule, and it is in this liver cells or the hepatic cells bile juice is secreted. This secreted bile juice is collected by the hepatic duct, and it will be temporarily stored in the gallbladder. This sac-like structure is nothing but the gallbladder, where the bile is temporarily stored and concentrated, and it has a duct known as a cystic duct. So duct of the gallbladder is known as cystic duct, which joins with the hepatic duct to form a bile duct. Later, this bile duct joins with the pancreatic duct, that is duct of the pancreas, to form a hepatopancreatic duct. And this hepatopancreatic duct opens into the duodenum. And this hepatopancreatic duct, at the opening, it has a sphincter known as sphincter of Oddi, which controls the secretion of the pancreatic juice and the bile juice into the duodenum. So whenever it is required, then only pancreatic juice and the bile juice is secreted into the duodenum through the sphincter of Oddi of the hepatopancreatic duct. So that is about the gland liver. Third gland is pancreas. Pancreas is a long carrot-shaped organ which is present between the limbs of the U-shaped duodenum. And this pancreas is a heterocrine gland. Heterocrine means having both exocrine and endocrine glands. Exocrine is a part which secreted secretion through the duct, and endocrine is a part which secreted secretion directly into the bloodstream. And the exocrine part of the pancreas secretes alkaline pancreatic juice, which is conveyed to the duodenum through the duct known as the pancreatic duct. Whereas endocrine part of the pancreas secretes a hormone known as insulin and glucagon, which is directly conveyed into the bloodstream. So pancreatic juice from the pancreas enters the pancreatic duct, and from the pancreatic duct it enters hepatopancreatic duct, through which it is secreted into the duodenum whenever it is required. So that is about the three glands of the digestive gland or associated glands of the human digestive system, that is salivary gland, liver and the pancreas.